In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Inkscape Pen Tool. Let's get started by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Once it opens, either create a new document or open an existing one you want to edit. A blank canvas is perfect for practicing, so don't worry about having a finished design in mind yet. The Pen Tool, officially called the Bezier tool, is the most powerful way to draw custom shapes in Inkscape. You'll find it on the left toolbar, and you can activate it quickly by pressing the B key on your keyboard. With the tool active, you're ready to place nodes and build your path. Click once on the canvas to place your starting point. This first node anchors your line. Then click again to place the next point. Inkscape connects them with a straight segment. Keep clicking to add more points and build up a path. When you're ready to complete a closed shape, click back on the very first node you placed. If you want to leave the line open, press Enter instead. Closed shapes can hold a fill color, while open lines are strokes only, which is useful to keep in mind as you plan your artwork. To create curves, don't just click and drag. As you drag, you'll see handles appear. Think of these handles as magnets that pull the line toward them. The direction you drag sets the curve's direction, and the length of the handle controls how strong that pull is. Short drags make gentle arcs. Longer drags create deeper, more dramatic curves. Release the mouse to set the node and move on to your next point, repeating the same click and drag motion to continue the curve smoothly. If something doesn't look right, press Backspace to delete the last point you placed and try again. You can tap Backspace multiple times to step back through recent points until you're happy. Take a look at the top toolbar when the pen tool is active. You can switch between different drawing modes. Regular Bezier is the standard mode, great for precise, editable, straight and curved segments. Spiropath automatically smooths your line into flowing, elegant curves, which is fantastic for calligraphy-style lettering or logo flourishes. B-spline creates a path that's guided by the points you click without necessarily passing through them, producing ultra-smooth, natural shapes with less effort. Practice placing points, closing shapes, and experimenting with click and drag curves. Use Backspace if you make a mistake, and Enter to finish an open line. With a bit of repetition, the pen tool will become your go-to for clean, custom vector artwork.